For non-stick dough rolling. Extra large heavy-weight cloth. Sewn edges prevent fraying. Flour goes into cloth and not into dough. Helps make lighter and flakier crust. Rolling pin cover eliminates the need to wash pin, which may cause warping. Made of 100% cotton. Regency wraps. Regency natural pastry cloth rolling pin cover set 100% cotton. Top reviews from the United States. This is a good product and I expect it will last for a very long time. I don't know what the problem is with this product for some people. The cloth is very thick and does the job it's supposed to. I washed it by hand when I got it, hung it to dry and then steam ironed it. It held together and didn't unravel at the edges. It's pretty much still the same size it was before washing and ironing. Plenty big. This cloth will replace one I had for probably 20 years. You do have to know how to treat them. The pores of the cloth need to be filled with flour, so when you use it the first time, rub flour into the cloth very well, then generously rub more flour into the cloth each time you use it. The rolling pin sock needs to be coated with flour as well. I don't expect it to last as long, but you can buy them separately. After use, simply scrape off any dough that might remain on the cloth. This will seldom happen after the cloth has been well seasoned with flour. Gently shake off any excess flour, fold or roll it up, put in a plastic bag and store in your freezer. This make the cloth ready to use at a moment's notice, and clean up is simple. The only time I washed my old cloth was when I moved and it was going to be packed away. It finally had to be replaced. I guess I moved too many times.